Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have the first you're going to excuse me if I sound congested. I'm fighting a cold right now, so just bear with me here in the video. Just bear with me because I'm fighting a cold. Anyway, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather today in the orange, alright? The orange is the enhanced risk for severe weather today. The enhanced today covers northeastern Colorado, northwestern and north central Kansas, most of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, and western Iowa. Alright, for the enhanced, okay? The cities in today's enhanced include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Council Bluffs, Iowa. Alright, there's a slight today there's a slight in the yellow today. Alright, areas in the yellow are on a slight risk for severe weather today. And there are 2 dark green areas for today. Alright, there are 2 dark green areas for today. The dark green areas are the marginals, okay? The dark green areas are the marginals. Alright, cities in today's slate include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin, okay? And cities in today's marginals include Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Atlanta, Georgia, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Alright, going to today's tornado threat. There is a 15% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and northeastern Nebraska. Alright, cities in the 15% tornado risk area today includes Sioux City, Iowa, Fremont, Nebraska, Norfolk, Nebraska, Columbus, Nebraska, and Yankton, South Dakota. There is a 10% chance of tornadoes today covering north central Kansas, parts of Nebraska, parts of Iowa, southwestern Minnesota, and parts of South Dakota. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Council Bluffs, Iowa, and Bellevue, Nebraska. Alright? There are 2 brown areas for today. The brown areas are where we have 5% tornado risk areas for today. Alright, the 2 brown areas are the 5% tornado risk areas. And the dark green, areas in the dark green are on a 2% chance of tornadoes today. Alright? Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Saginaw, Michigan, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Grand Island, Nebraska, and Midland, Michigan. Alright? And the 2% tornado risk area today includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Denver, Colorado, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, and Aurora, Colorado. So, and you notice there are 2 black dashed areas for today. The black dashed, The 2 black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential for tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF1 today. Alright? The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 or stronger today. Alright? Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0. Okay? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly EF0. Again, the black dashed area is highest potential for EF1 or stronger today. Cities in the black dashed areas today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Lansing, Michigan. Going to the wind for today. The red area is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher in the red. Alright? Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include what I meant to say was the areas in the 30% wind risk today. Oh, come on. Alright, areas in the 30% wind risk today are southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, western Iowa, and eastern Nebraska. Alright? Areas in the yellow are in a 15% wind risk area for today. And the brown areas are the 5% wind risk area. So, taking the 30% wind risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Castle Bluffs, Iowa. The 15% wind risk area today include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Wichita, Kansas, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. And the 5% wind risk areas today include Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Atlanta, Georgia, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. The black dashed area. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 mile per hour thunderstorm wind gusts. Alright, here's the black dashed area. Today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Castle Bluffs, Iowa. And now for the hail threat, the red area is a 30% hail risk area for today. Alright, the red is a 30% hail risk. That covers northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, north central Kansas, parts of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. Alright? There are two yellows for today. Which are the 15% hail risk areas for today. Alright, the yellow is the 15%, and there are two brown areas for today. The brown areas are 5% hail risk areas. Alright? Here's the 30% hail risk area today include Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Grand Island, Nebraska, and Kearney, Nebraska. The 15% hail risk area today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. And the 5% includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Atlanta, Georgia. And the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches or larger in diameter. Here's in the black dashed area today include Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Salina, Kansas, and Grand Island, Nebraska. In summary, severe thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and tonight across parts of the southern and central plains to the upper Midwest. Supercells with very large hail and strong tornadoes are possible initially this afternoon before one or more Bowen clusters leads to a greater threat for severe and damaging winds this evening. So, that's your day one severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. No matter what risk you're in. Alright? Stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in. And I will have my day two severe weather outlook this afternoon. Stay safe.